Hello, dear students. I'm Umair Ahmad Khan, your English language instructor. And in this lecture, we'll be talking about different types of vocabulary items. How can you learn different vocabulary words in order to build and in order to use it in your daily life? Actually, people, they certainly face lots of problems when they tend to speak English language. My question is also that why vocabulary is important in language learning. Yes, it is very much important in order to speak appropriate, suitable English according to the context, according to the situation, according to the problem that you're facing, according to the environment that you are living in. All right. I have just created different situations, and after this lecture, you will be able to understand how you can develop your vocabulary in an easy way, what different applications that you can use. But if I tell you, yes, in an easy way, you can use Oxford Advanced Learners Dictionary in order to improve your English language skills. I'm just talking about vocabulary. And then Quizlet is another application website that you can use in order to improve your vocabulary. And then there is Duolingo, another application that you can use. And then Memrise is another application that you can use in order to improve your vocabulary. All right, I have created certain situations for you, like I have written a single word and I was just recalling certain things I have already written down here just so as to avoid, time waste. I mean, in case if I'm writing here, I mean, that would be the waste of time. So I've already written here. All right, food. The days when I talk about food, when I write it, I mean, I have brainstormed it, and words that were coming in my mind, I have written it here. Like the word is appetizer. The very first word is appetizer. Mike, are you getting? What word is it? Appetizer. Appetizer. Appetizer is a small meal that you take before the main course. All right. Then another word is cuisine. What? Cuisine. Cuisine, a style or method of cooking. A style or method of cooking. All right. And then entree. Entree. Entree is main course that you actually eat after appetizer. All right. Then another word is garnish. Garnish. The decoration that you see on the meal, or you can say food plating, you can say. Another word is dessert. Dessert is a kind of sweet dish that you have after the end of a meal. After the end of a meal, or when you end in your meal, that is called dessert. All right. Then as beverage, any liquid that you intend to drink is called, I mean, that can be coffee, that can be tea, that can be soda, that can be any other liquid or juice. All right. Then another word is gravy, a sauce that is made from the vegetables or the meat that you actually have as a supporting kind of thing. That's called gravy. All right. Are you getting, Peter? Okay. Can you please tell me the three words that you have learned so far? Okay, three. Fine. Yes. Dessert. Fine. Okay. Okay, main course. Good, good. All right. Next word is marinade. Marinade is in actually the process of soaking your food in order to change the texture, in order to change the flavor, or in order to enhance the flavor. We actually marinate in order to we actually soak the food into the liquid in order to enhance the taste, all right, or flavor. There is another word is hotel. Hotel, what different words that you that comes in your mind? I mean, reservation, I mean, that is the process of pre-booking. Then you can say check-in, I mean, a type of registration that you do when you come or when you arrive at the hotel, and then check out the process of signing out. And then lobby is a large area where you know when you're entering somewhere, into the hotel, and you find a large area that's called lobby, and then concierge is a guest staff or staff member that actually helps different guests to manage different services like tours, like car rental, I mean luggage, and so on. All right. And then his suite is a set of rooms with different or with diverse facilities. And then housekeeping, a department that is in fact responsible for all the cleanliness and all these things. All right, can you please make a mind map of new vocabulary words for the word university? I hope you can do that, like campus, like examination, like faculty, like staff, like supporting staff, like then invigilation. And I hope that there may be different words that are coming into your mind. You can write a mind map here and you can get it checked. All right, you have to recall these words and get. I have already provided you notes. I have already provided you handouts. You can see that, and these applications that you can download in your mobile phones in order to make your language better, like Oxford Advanced Learners Dictionary, Quizlet, Duolingo, and Memrise, right? Thank you. I hope you have understood this lecture. Hope to see you in the next lecture. Thank you.